recrafters, welcome back to my channel. In the previous episode, I created handmade frames and ornaments to transform my 12-year-old daughter's bedroom into a dreamy Coquette style. Today, we're diving into lighting magic. I will be upcycling a lampshade and redesigning a chandelier to match the same aesthetic. So, if you're ready, grab your scraps, sparkle your imagination, and let's recraft together. There wasn't a bedside table next to her bed before, so I decided to install one myself. And yes, you absolutely can do it too. Don't rush to hire someone, just follow the instructions in the booklet. Trust me, everything is explained step by step. Now the bedside is ready, but it needs a lampshade on it. For this project, I'm using an old lampshade that somehow survived 3 different house moves. Let's see if it still works. And yes, still alive! Here are the materials I'll use. A yogurt lid, a piece of very old lace, I think it's over 50 years old, 6 wooden sticks, a hot glue gun, white paint, a brush, scissors, a utility knife, and plaster mash. First, I dust the lampshade. Then I cut out the center of the yogurt lid, keeping only the hard plastic frame. To adjust the height, I measure and cut all 6 wooden sticks equally. Then I glue them around the bottom frame of the lampshade and connect their tops using the yogurt lid frame. Now I have a new structure to build on. I cover it with plaster mash first and trim the excess. This is where the excitement really begins. The lace I'm using used to be a dress, which is why it's already in pieces. I wish I could use it whole, but because of the shape, I cut it into sections and glue them onto the structure. After that, I paint the legs and frame white. I even accidentally paint parts of the cable. Not planned, but it blends in. And now, the most satisfying moment, installing the bulb. I place everything she needs for bedtime on the new bedside. I'm sure she will love it. I love the result so much. What do you think? Please write in the comments. When we bought this house, this chandelier was in the master bedroom. It used to belong to my landlady's daughter. The structure is beautiful, but my daughter doesn't want the pink roses. Challenge accepted. This is another chandelier from our living room. I will remove its crystal pieces and reuse some of them for my daughter's room. In another episode, I will fix and upcycle this chandelier too. Stay tuned! In my workshop, I start by inspecting the chandelier. One part is broken and one flower is missing. So first, I remove all the flowers, and surprisingly, they look handmade. Now I like them even more. I remove the bulbs and lampshades and clean everything thoroughly. I try covering the flowers with white velvet fabric, but the pink still shows through. So I carefully paint them instead. While they dry, I cut 5 pieces of fabric and sew them into soft drapes. I leave long threads in the end so I can adjust the length later. At this point, I realized I forgot my hot glue gun at home and bought a tiny one. Honestly, it's terrible. Zero power. I did not enjoy that part at all. Once everything is ready, I start assembling. I attach the new shades and painted flowers. I totally forgot the broken part. I asked for help and thanks to my husband, it got fixed. He did his best. He used another piece of plastic to make the lampshade stand safely. For the center, instead of flowers, I used soft cream fabric flowers that match the drapes. And finally, the golden touch, crystal pieces. I replaced the original metal attachments with easier ones to work with. And just like that, this chandelier becomes something completely new. With my husband's help, we installed it. And look at that! It's absolutely gorgeous. This is the power of recrafting. Let's take a look at the room before and now. A full transformation with zero cost. If this video inspired you or gave you the courage to recraft something, I would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay well!